A 60% mechanical keyboard is a compact keyboard layout that eliminates the number pad, function row, and arrow keys, resulting in a smaller, more portable design with only 60% of the standard key count. Its compactness saves desk space and makes it easy to transport, making it popular among gamers, minimalists, and those who prioritize workspace efficiency. Despite the reduced size, 60% keyboards retain essential keys through function layers and shortcuts, allowing users to access the missing keys without sacrificing functionality. This layout enhances ergonomics by encouraging a closer, more centered hand position, reducing strain during extended use, and giving more room for mouse movement. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best 60% mechanical keyboard. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Mage G TS91. The TS91 RGB backlight keyboard offers a compact 60% layout that's ideal for both gaming and workspace setups, delivering a vibrant and customizable RGB lighting experience with multiple color modes, adjustable brightness, and breathing speeds. With its IPX4 waterproof circuit board, users can enjoy their snacks and drinks worry-free, as the keyboard is easy to clean, though the interface remains non-waterproof. Despite being a membrane keyboard, it successfully mimics the tactile feel of mechanical switches, providing a satisfying typing experience without fatigue thanks to its ergonomic design. Compatibility extends across all major Windows platforms, making it a versatile choice for home, office, and gaming environments. Its small form factor is particularly suited for those working within limited spaces, delivering both functionality and style in one sleek package. Here is the item number 4, SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries keyboard with OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches redefines gaming speed and control with its impressive 20x faster actuation and 11x faster response time compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. Equipped with rapid trigger technology, it dynamically activates and deactivates keys based on travel distance, eliminating the lag caused by conventional switch mechanisms. Offering 40 levels of per-key actuation from 0.1 to 4.0 mm, users can finely tune WASD keys for ultra-responsive movement, while ability keys can be set for deeper presses, reducing accidental activations during intense gameplay. The innovative 2-in-1 action keys enable dual commands per key, like walking with a light touch and sprinting with a deeper press, adding an extra layer of customizable control. Its 60% form factor maintains full functionality, boasting a premium aluminum top plate, a detachable USB-C, and compatibility with Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, and Mac OS X. With support from the SteelSeries engine, this keyboard delivers a competitive edge that's ideal for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful gaming setup. The item number 3, Razer Huntsman Mini. The Razer optical keyboard impresses with its innovative light-based switches, providing lightning-fast actuation speeds that outperform traditional mechanical switches by registering key presses at 1.5 mm. This cutting-edge technology pairs perfectly with Razer's Chroma RGB lighting, offering an immersive, customizable experience with support for over 16.8 million colors that syncs seamlessly with popular games and smart home gear like Philips Hue. Built to withstand intense gaming sessions, its durable aluminum construction and oil-resistant double-shot PBT keycaps ensure a sleek, long-lasting design resistant to grime and wear. With fully programmable macros via Razer Hypershift, users can easily remap keys for personalized commands, while Razer's unique Snap Tap function offers responsive in-game movements by instantly prioritizing the latest key inputs. This is a powerhouse keyboard that blends style, speed, and functionality for a truly advanced gaming setup. Number 2 on our list, HyperX Alloy Origin 60. The HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is an incredibly compact, high-performance mechanical keyboard, perfect for gamers seeking more desk space for expansive mouse movement. Its petite 60% form factor, combined with an aircraft-grade aluminum body, provides exceptional stability even during intense gaming sessions. The double-shot PBT keycaps are both durable and functional, featuring side-printed secondary functions for easy access. HyperX's custom mechanical switches are optimized for speed and accuracy, boasting a remarkable 80 million keystroke lifespan. The RGB backlit keys are enhanced by exposed LEDs for stunning, radiant lighting effects. Through HyperX Ingenuity software, users can delve into advanced customization, tailoring game mode, macros, and individual key lighting for a personalized setup. Additionally, the keyboard offers 3 adjustable tilt angles, a detachable USB-C cable for easy portability, and a set of extra keycaps and a keycap puller for further customization. With compatibility across PC, PlayStation, and Xbox platforms, the Alloy Origin 60 is a versatile and durable choice for dedicated gamers. The top one in our list, RK Royal Kluge RK61. The RK61 Mini 60% keyboard by RK Royal Kluge is a sleek, space-saving choice for gamers and professionals alike, offering an ultra-compact 61-key layout that fits all essential functions into a minimalist design. Its small size frees up significant desktop space, allowing for greater mouse movement and a tidier setup, making it especially popular with FPS gamers. Equipped with hot swappable red switches, the RK61 provides smooth, quiet keystrokes that are ideal for both gaming and office use, delivering quick, responsive action without the tactile bump. The keyboard's RGB backlighting offers 18 customizable effects and 8 monochrome modes, enhancing the visual experience for night gaming or typing. This keyboard's compatibility with Windows, Linux, and Mac, paired with full-key anti-ghosting, ensures uninterrupted gameplay and productivity. Additionally, its ergonomic, stare-up keycap design minimizes hand fatigue, making it comfortable for prolonged use by gamers, office workers, writers, and editors alike. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best 60% mechanical keyboard amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.